Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the number of products displayed on collection pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is click on an online store, then themes, then click on edit theme, and then what you'll need to do is go right here, click on collections, click on default collection or the custom one if you have, and then just click on your product grid. You can choose on the left menu right here, and then you'll see on the right side product grid and then products per page. So select the maximum, or you select how many do you want to display. So right here I will select 36, and now I will be able to see 36 products per page, and right here you can select columns. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.